New Orleans is a city that is rich in history, culture, and charm, and the unique architecture of homes throughout the city reflects this vibrant character. As a homeowner in New Orleans, your windows play a significant role in the overall look, energy efficiency, and comfort of your home. However, like any home feature, windows have a lifespan, and over time, they can deteriorate. If you're wondering whether it's time to replace your windows, look for these key signs that indicate it may be time for an upgrade. Rising energy bills. One of the most significant indicators that it's time to replace your windows is an increase in your energy bills. New Orleans residents are no strangers to hot, humid summers and mild winters, which means heating and cooling costs can add up quickly. Older, inefficient windows often allow air to leak in and out, making it harder to regulate your home's temperature. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, leading to higher electricity bills. Modern windows, especially energy-efficient windows, are designed to reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. If you've noticed a significant spike in your utility bills or your home feels uncomfortable despite running the air conditioner, replacing your windows with energy-efficient models can help reduce energy costs and increase comfort. Drafts and air leaks. Drafts are another sign that your windows may no longer be functioning efficiently. If you feel a breeze around your windows even when they're closed, it means outside air is entering your home. This can be especially problematic during New Orleans' hot summers or cooler months when you're trying to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. To check for air leaks, try holding a lit candle or incense stick near the edges of your windows. If the flame flickers or the smoke moves, it means that there's a gap in the seal around the window. Replacing your old, drafty windows with modern, well-sealed energy-efficient windows will help eliminate drafts and improve your home's insulation. Condensation between the pane. If you have double pane or triple pane windows and notice condensation or fogging between the panes of glass, it's a clear sign that the seal has failed. This moisture buildup occurs when the window seal is compromised, allowing air and moisture to enter the space between the panes, resulting in condensation. Not only does this affect the appearance of your windows, but it also means the window is no longer providing the same level of insulation and energy efficiency it once did. If you see condensation regularly, it's likely time for a window replacement. Modern windows come with superior seals and insulation to prevent this issue. Visible damage or wear. Over time, the frames and glass of your windows can suffer from wear and tear, especially in a city like New Orleans, which experiences a combination of humid weather, heavy rain, and saltwater exposure from nearby bodies of water. If your windows show signs of rotting wood, warping, cracking glass, or mold growth, it's time to consider a replacement. Damaged windows not only detract from your home's appearance but can also lead to structural damage or water infiltration. If the frames are warped or the glass is cracked, it's best to replace them with durable, weather-resistant materials that can better withstand the climate in New Orleans. Difficulty opening and closing windows. If your windows are difficult to open, close or locked, it's a sign that they're no longer functioning properly. Older windows often suffer from sticking, misalignment, or rusting tracks, making it harder to operate them safely. In some cases, windows that don't open or close properly can also present a safety hazard, especially in the event of an emergency where you may need to exit quickly. If you struggle to operate your windows or can't lock them securely, it's time to replace them with new, easy-to-operate windows that ensure both safety and comfort. Upgrading to modern windows with secure, easy-to-use locks will help protect your home and provide peace of mind. Increased noise from outside. Living in a vibrant, busy city like New Orleans means that there can be plenty of outside noise, from traffic and construction to neighborhood activity. If you notice that the noise levels inside your home are becoming more noticeable, even during the night, it could be because your windows are no longer soundproofing your space effectively. Old windows, particularly single-pane windows, offer little in terms of sound insulation, allowing outside noise to filter in. If you're looking to enjoy a quieter indoor environment, new windows with soundproofing features, such as double or triple glazing, can significantly reduce the amount of external noise entering your home. Replacing your old windows will help create a more peaceful living space. Outdated aesthetics. If your windows are outdated or don't match the overall style of your home, it may be time for an upgrade. Old, faded, or mismatched windows can detract from your home's curb appeal and overall value. New windows come in a variety of styles, materials, and finishes that can complement the architectural design of your home and enhance its visual appeal. Upgrading to modern windows can make a significant difference in the appearance of your home, giving it a fresh and updated look. Not only will this improve your home's curb appeal, but it can also increase its value, making it more attractive to potential buyers if you decide to sell in the future. You're planning to sell your home. If you're considering selling your home, replacing old windows can be a great investment. Potential buyers often look for homes that have energy-efficient features, such as modern windows that help lower energy costs and improve comfort. New windows are a smart way to increase the value of your home and make it more appealing in the market. Conclusion: when to replace your windows in New Orleans? If you've noticed any of these signs, higher energy bills, drafts, condensation, visible damage, or difficulty operating your windows, it's time to consider replacing your windows in New Orleans. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows not only improves your home's comfort and security but also enhances its appearance and value. Investing in new windows will provide long-term benefits, from reduced energy costs to improved indoor air quality and better noise control. Whether you're preparing to sell, looking to improve your home's efficiency, or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable living space, window replacement is a smart and worthwhile investment.